Part 1. To connect PTO, start oil pump. Notes. 1. Check the oil pipe between the oil pump and the oil tank. 2. Check if the ball valve opens. 3. After starting the truck, turn on the PTO switch directly without stepping on the clutch, which will cause damage to the transmission and PTO. 4. Wait for the oil pump to run. First step. Start the engine, shift the transmission to neutral, and apply the handbrake. When the instrument panel displays 6 or more air pressures, proceed to the next step. Second step. Step on the clutch and hold for about 5 seconds. Third step. Turn on the PTO switch, and then slowly release the clutch. Part 2. Operating modes instructions. 1. The control panel in the cab. Power control and discharging control. 2. Electric control box at the tailgate. Tailgate operation control. 3. Multi-way valve manual control on the tailgate and between the cab and body. When the control panel and the electric control box have circuit failures, manual operation can be used instead. Part 3. Operation of tailgate. Notes. 1. Check that the tailgate has fallen into place. 2. Check whether the hydraulic hook is locked. 3. Garbage should be evenly poured into the hopper, and should not be piled on one side or piled too high. First step. Switch the operation mode of the tailgate. 1. Press and hold the Stop and Start button on the operation panel in the cab until the green light is on. 2. Press the Loading Mode button. 3. Then you can switch to the manual automatic control mode of the tailgate. The manual and automatic operation is located on the right side of the tailgate. Second step. Loading garbage. 1. Operation of the bin lifter. A. Manual mode. A. Place the bin on the bin holder. B. Open the lid of the bin. C. Manually operate the level on the right side of the tailgate. D. Pull the rolling over level down. The bin lifter is turned up, and garbage is poured into the hopper. E. Push the rolling over level up and the bin returns to the ground. B. Electric control mode. A. Place the bin on the bin holder. B. Open the lid of the bin. C. Open the cover of the electric control box on the right side of the tailgate. D. Turn the black switch to the right of up. The bin lifter is turned up, and garbage is poured into the hopper. E. Turn the black switch to the left of down, and the bin returns to the ground. 2. Operation of scraper and sliding plate. Note. When hard objects cannot be scraped when automatic loading, stop immediately and switch to manual operation. A. Manual mode. A. Manually operate the level on the right side of the tailgate. B. Pull the scraper level down and the scraper opens. C. Push the scraper level up and the scraper closes. D. Push the sliding plate level up, and the slide goes down. E. Pull the sliding plate level down and the sliding plate goes up. B. Electric control mode, manual single operation. A. Press the manual button on the electric control box. B. Press the scraper open button and the scraper opens. C. Press the slide down button, and the slide goes down. D. Press the scraper closed button, and the scraper closes. E. Press the slide upward button, and the sliding plate goes up. According to the sequence of A-E, complete a single garbage compaction operation. C. Electric control mode, automatic single cycle operation. A. Press the automatic button on the electric control box. B. Press the single button and the scraper and slide plate work together for single compaction. D. Electric control mode, automatic continuous cycle operation. A. Press the automatic button on the electric control box. B. Press the continuous button and the scraper and slide plate work together for continuous compaction. Part 4. Operation of ejector plate in garbage body. First step. Tailgate up, down. A. Manual mode. A. Manually operate the level on the right side of the tailgate. B. Pull the lifting level outward, the tailgate goes up. C. Return the lifting level, the tailgate goes down. B. Automatic mode. A. On the control panel in the cab. B. Close the loading mode button, and press the discharge mode button. C. Press the tailgate up button, the tailgate goes up. D. Press the tailgate down button, the tailgate goes down. Second step. Ejector plate push, pull. A. Manual mode. A. Manually operate the level on the right side of the tailgate. B. Pull the shovel level outward, the ejector plate pushes out. C. Return the shovel level, the ejector plate is pulled. B. Automatic mode. A. On the control panel in the cab. B. Close, loading mode, and open, discharge mode. C. Press the shovel push button, and the ejector plate pushes out. D. Press the shovel pull button, the ejector plate is pulled. Third step. Tailgate self-cleaning. A. Automatic mode. A. On the control panel in the cab. B. Press the tailgate clean button, the tailgate is self-cleaning. Part 5. Complete operation, turn off the power. Notes. 1. Check that the tailgate has fallen into place. 2. Check whether the hydraulic hook is locked. 3. The bin lifer must be raised in place while the truck is running. First step. Turn off the power after the complete operation until the indicator light turns red. Second step. Step on the clutch and hold. Third step. Turn off the PTO after 10 seconds around, and then slowly release the clutch.